Hello guys and welcome back to Code Crew. Sorry guys for the late upload, but today we are going to make a Contra replica. Most of you already know about it, but for those of you who don't, Contra is a very popular 2D third person shooter which was played aggressively in the 1980s and 1990s. Today we are going to replicate it. Just for you know that what we are going to make, I'm going to do one round right here. So this is Contra, and now that we know what we need to do, now we are going to start replicating it. So first let's hop into VS Code to do the work. I actually tried this but it failed. So today I am going to try this in front of you. And now we are going to set this language mode to HTML. And now we are going to tell the chat in VS Code what we have to make. So while it's generating, please guys subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and also comment on my video so that I get feedback, I can create better videos for you guys, and I feel supported. So it's creating it. Okay, so here is the file. And now we are going to go live and test this out. What did something go wrong? We are going to delete Contra replica. Such advanced code for such a stupid game. That's really nice. This is not at all Contra. Okay, so this failed. So now I'm going to try again. Now let's see what it does. Yeah, until then, let's also destroy this because maybe it may be causing some problems. Meanwhile, if you want the go live button on your screen that allows you to play any HTML file you have created in the browser, you can check out the extension live server. It is really popular. So yeah. So right now it's generating. But till then, as I told you, please subscribe to my channel, guys. It helps me create much more better videos. What is this now? Okay, so this even is impossible. What? Is the chat betraying me? Yeah, definitely. This is really bad for us. But I don't know really what is happening. But maybe it will work if I close VS Code, close everything, and then open it again. This is weird because the code is written for the enemy AI and all the weapon stuff, exactly what it told. So the chat isn't a betrayal, but something is limiting it. So let's try it again. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so let's check it out. It's not working. I don't know what's the issue. Maybe the game files are not rendering or what, but it's really weird because all the code is there, like 960 lines of code for this. Now that's not possible unless you write comments. So we need to actually check out. I don't know what's happening. We told it Contra, it made me Mario. Not even Mario, something worse. Sorry guys, but it's not working. So nothing is working. Sorry guys. But next video, I'm not going to fail again. So please like and subscribe. And as always, goodbye.